The UK has already begun work on a technology demonstrator aircraft for its landmark Tempest Future Combat Air Systems (FCAS) program, with the first flight test due within the next 5 years. Designed as a sixth-generation stealth combat air platform, Tempest is intended to begin entering service from 2035 and gradually replace the Eurofighter Typhoon fleet. It is not known how many Tempest aircraft are expected to enter service, but it is unlikely to be a one-for-one numerical replacement for the Eurofighter multi-role fighter. Breaking the news of the technology demonstrator aircraft at Farnborough International Airshow on 18 July, senior officials from the UK Ministry of Defence, MOD, BAE Systems, Rolls-Royce, Leonardo, and MBDA provided updates as to developments on the program. The UK MOD FCAS director, Richard Burton, told Air Force Technology that a single supersonic demonstrator aircraft will be manufactured for the 2027 first flight, although declined to comment which systems will be initially tested on the platform. The flight itself is one milestone of many milestones, Burton said. The design has also flown 100 hours digitally, testing key elements ahead of the start of platform manufacture, while the flight demonstrator platform was described by officials as being low observable. On 18 July, engine manufacturers Rolls-Royce also presented details of Project Orpheus, a program to develop and run a new design jet turbine in under 18 months, which would be used to inform propulsion requirements for Tempest. Alex Zeno, EVP Business Development and Future Programs at Rolls-Royce Defence, said the engine concept had also been designed with a 40% reduction in cost. Given the timeframe of the Tempest program, design speed and cost reductions will be crucial throughout its development.